One of the perks na nai-enjoy namin during summer is to go for a walk to a nearby park. We're blessed to live to a city of parks. Ang sarap maglakad lalo na after dinner. Yung hindi na masakit yung init. Tinitake advantage namin yung paglalakad habang summer pa. Kasi namimiss namin ito pag winter na. And always remember this, don't go for a walk alone. Dapat parati kang may kasama for your own safety. Or you can take a dog with you. 8:30 na ng gabi nung nakarating kami dito. That's another perks during summer. Sunsets mostly at 9 p.m. Kaya we don't take it for granted. Hanggat kaya pa ng katawan, go lang ng go. At dapat you're in the same page ng partner mo. Believe ako kay Joe. He walks a lot at his job, but still, may energy pa siyang mag-go for a walk after naming mag-dinner. Ako pagod na pagdating ng bahay, but hinihila akong lumabas para maglakad. Which is good naman, kasi nai-encourage niya ako. And we get the chance to enjoy the nature together. Breathe the fresh air, and explore the park. Tawanan, kwentuhan, at kung saang park naman ang explore namin next time. Kasi ang daming magawa sa isang araw kung nakaplan ito. For years and years na puro lang trabaho ang iniisip. Pwede ka ring mag-unwind kahit maglakad ka lang sa park. Go to museums. Have coffee outside. Watch a movie. Yung hindi mo na kailangang lumayo just to unwind. At ang sarap pa ng tulog mo pagtapos nyo maglakad. An hour na walking, okay na yun. Lalo na if you work the next day. Kaya, thank you Lord for another day. New life, more blessings, more activities to do and enjoy. A chance to hear the birds chirping. Grabing Bisaya ni. Ang bilis maglakad. Kaya parati ko siyang niloloko. Kaya siguro malaki yung pusog-pusugan mo. Ewan ko kung ano yung sa Tagalog. Siguro tumatakbo ka sa trabaho para makauwi ka ng maaga. Tapos smile lang siya. Most of the time kasi, pag panggabi ako, bago ako umalis ng bahay, nasa door na siya. Wow, sana all! But minsan, nalilate din siya. Pero most of the time, early talaga siyang umuwi. I can't beat that. Kami na lang yata yung natitirang naglalakad dito. Hindi mo makikita yung mga ibon, pero ang lalakas na mga tunog nila. Mahangin. At maririnig mo yung tubig at the nearby creek. It's quite a walk din pag nandun ka na. And there's always a nearby signs para hindi ka maligaw. You know when and where to turn. So kahit in the middle of the forest ka na, nothing to worry. This park is huge. Ang sarap magtapisaw sa tubig. Sigurado ang lamig niyan. Sa park na ito, there is a designated area for salmon to spawn. But we have to walk a little more further. Walk and walk more. Be careful with coyotes daw dahil nag-a-appear sila dito. Ay, wag naman ngayon. And just like that, we made it to Salmon Loop Trail. And this is the exact area where the salmon swim and lay their eggs. O siya, dito na lang muna. See you in our next park walk. Thank you for watching. Diggy 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 dig.